It takes a lot of work to make a difference. A lot of steps need to be done. So the steps taken here in West Hartford are making that difference a reality.
Whatever you have, no matter how small it is, it means a lot to the people of Jamaica who have nothing.
A powerful plea and a call to action that echoes throughout West Hartford in wake of the catastrophic damage of Hurricane Melissa, and has now brought together hundreds of runners to support the victims who survived.
This is what happens in Connecticut when families experience tragedy. They step up and they help.
Among those hit hardest, one of the members of West Hartford's Fleet Feet family, who lost their brother in Jamaica, a loss that brought together this run Wednesday.
The running community is a really close-knit community.
Fleet Feet owner David Jacobs is among the people who helped make this run possible to raise money for the Connecticut Caribbean Disaster Relief Coalition, done by raffling off donations to the cause, new gear, spots in major races like the Marine Corps Marathon, and spots in the Manchester Road Race donated by the races committee.
There's so many opportunities out there to do good, and that's part of our DNA.
It's nice to see the impact we can all make on the world and those around us and in the bigger world.
That big change made by one small step at a time. So bit by bit, a community across the world can try to rebuild what they lost.
It's going to be a long recovery process, and so we are doing everything possible to make sure that people can at least get back, some kind of, security for their lives.
Over the past week, we've shared how Hurricane Melissa has impacted both people in Jamaica and right here in Connecticut, and our newsroom is no different. Fox 61's Kay Pattyfoot spoke with her aunt who lost a loved one from Hurricane Melissa in Jamaica. To hear more of her story, you can head on over to our social media or to fox61.com. In West Hartford, Stephen Reels, Fox 61.